Welcome back to our English Conversation channel.
We're delighted to have you learning with us today.
Let's make English a part of your daily life.
Every lesson brings you closer to fluency.
Practice with confidence and enjoy every sentence.
You don't need perfect English to start speaking.
Just listen, repeat, and improve every day.
Your English journey starts right here.
Let's speak English together naturally.
Let's begin today's exciting lesson.
Hello, it's great to see you.
It's great to see you too.
How have you been lately?
I've been doing really well.
How's everything going? Everything is going smoothly.
Did you have a nice morning?
Yes, it was peaceful.
What made your morning so good?
I had a relaxing breakfast.
That sounds wonderful. It really was.
Are you feeling happy today?
Yes, I feel fantastic.
That's good to hear. Thank you.
Do you have any exciting plans?
I'm meeting an old friend.
When will you meet? This afternoon.
It's been a long time. Yes.
Almost 2 years? I'm sure you'll have fun.
I hope so. What's new with you?
I've started learning photography.
That sounds interesting. It's becoming my favorite hobby.
Do you enjoy taking pictures?
Yes, especially nature.
What's your favorite place to take photos?
Near the lake, the scenery must be beautiful.
It certainly is. Do you like watching the sunrise?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
What time do you wake up? Usually around 6.
You're an early riser. I enjoy quiet mornings.
What do you usually do first?
I stretch and drink water.
That's a healthy habit. I'm trying to stay fit.
Do you enjoy morning walks?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes with friends. That sounds enjoyable.
It is. Have you learned any new words today?
Yes, several useful expressions.
Can you remember them? Most of them.
Practice helps a lot. Absolutely.
What's your favorite way to study?
I like listening to conversations.
That's an effective method.
It helps my pronunciation.
Do you speak English at work?
Sometimes I do. Are your coworkers supportive?
Yes, they're very encouraging.
That's wonderful. I'm lucky.
Have you ever spoken with a native speaker?
Yes, a few times.
Were you nervous? At first, yes.
Did it get easier? Much easier after a few minutes?
That's how confidence grows. Exactly.
Do you enjoy learning about different cultures?
Yes, it's fascinating.
What's one country you'd like to visit?
I'd love to visit Canada. Why Canada?
Because of its beautiful nature.
I hope you get the chance. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. What do you usually do after dinner?
I like reading a good book.
What kind of books do you enjoy?
I enjoy mystery novels. They must be exciting.
They always keep me guessing.
Do you watch television every day?
Not every day. What do you usually watch?
Documentaries and travel shows.
Those are educational. I always learn something new.
Do you enjoy listening to music while working?
Yes, soft music helps me focus.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy jazz and acoustic songs.
They sound relaxing. They really are.
Have you ever tried learning another language?
Yes, I'm also learning Spanish.
How is it going?
It's challenging but enjoyable.
Not
Keep up the good work. Thank you for the encouragement.
Do you enjoy spending time with your family?
Yes, family is very important to me.
What do you usually do together?
We often have dinner together.
That sounds lovely.
It's my favorite time of the day.
Do you have a favorite holiday?
Yes, I love Christmas
Why do you like it so much?
because everyone spends time together.
That's a beautiful reason.
I completely agree.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside. Why is that?
It's quieter and more peaceful.
Fresh air is wonderful. It certainly is.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I enjoy tasting different cuisines.
What's the most unusual food you've tried?
I once tried sweet salad.
Did you like it? Yes.
It was surprisingly delicious.
Would you eat it again? Definitely.
That's great. What's your favorite fruit?
I really like mangoes. They're sweet and juicy.
Exactly. Do you enjoy rainy days?
Sometimes I do. What do you usually do when it rains?
I stay home and read. That sounds cozy.
It feels very relaxing.
Do you enjoy helping other people?
Yes, whenever I can.
Helping others is rewarding.
I believe that, too.
What's something that makes you smile?
Kind people always make me smile.
That's a wonderful answer.
Thank you. What inspires you every day?
Learning something new. That's a great mindset.
I'm always curious. Curiosity helps us grow.
I couldn't agree more.
Have you reached any goals recently?
Yes, I finished an online course.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
What's your next goal? To speak English more confidently.
You're making excellent progress.
That means a lot.
Never stop believing in yourself.
I won't. Keep practicing a little every day.
I definitely will.
You've reached the end of today's lesson.
Thank you for learning English with us.
We hope these conversations...
Help you speak more confidently.
Remember, fluency comes from daily practice.
Come back tomorrow for another exciting lesson.
Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep improving.
If this lesson was helpful,
Please give it a thumbs up.
share this lesson with someone learning English.
Subscribe to our channel and join our growing community.
Until next time, stay positive.
Stay motivated and goodbye.